Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, I'm putting together the Saturday morning DIY videos. In other words, these are the videos and pictures and photos that I receive every week. Some of them are from Live Help, some of them are from the group chat, some of them just come in the emails. It's just great to see all these people out there doing so much work all by themselves. They've researched the web, they went on YouTube, and they made a decision. And they actually put it in the ground themselves. You guys are great. I can't express it enough. I think that you know I try to help as many people as possible. I can't speak for other companies that say they're so busy doing 2 or 3 jobs a day. But let me show you my phone. I took a screenshot of my iPhone. Take a look at how many emails I receive in just 1 week. It's nearly 5,000 emails, and I apologize if I can't answer your question or I can't return the email. A lot of people service sign up. There's so many jobs, there's so much work, and I do my best, I really do, and I apologize if I don't get there quick enough, but we are working as fast as we can. Take a look at these DIY videos, and I hope that it inspires you to do your own, because you can do these jobs yourself. A lot of people can't afford to pay a company and come out there and do all this work. I mean, $1,000, that's a pretty small job. Get up to the $10,000 to $20,000 range, and it's a lot of work. And these are things that you really can do and save yourself some money. And the best thing I can tell you is that no matter what you do, it's going to help your problem. No matter what you do, it's going to help solve your drainage problem. Take a look at this DIY video, and I hope you enjoy it. Oh, and by the way, I'm starting a brand new channel. It is Apple Drains DIY, and it's going to have a lot of short clips just for the DIY, so you don't have to watch the entire install. You can actually search and find exactly what you're looking for and how to install it the proper way. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. These videos are from the DIYers that have asked for guidance and help. Some of them use the live chat, some of them use the group chat, some of them just sent me videos and photos. And I've tried to answer as many questions as possible and help direct these guys to get a good working system. This DIY has so many different issues. The big issue was runoff of the driveway, and they needed to get that water collected and then send it all the way back here to the lake. So there's so much water that comes off of that driveway that I did recommend 6-inch. And what they decided to do was to go with 2 4-inch lines, and that worked out fine. It gives much more drainage, get it all the way out to the lake. They've got so many downspouts. All the water gets collected in the corners. They've got a half basement and a crawl space, and they were able to solve this problem. It is a really great thing, and I mean, I admire you guys so much. The Saturday morning DIYs, of course, I'm sure they work every day to get this all done. Gravel perforated pipe, holes point down. That's at the end of the driveway, and it's just a giant channel drain. You can see they're going to set a catch basin in there because the catch basin is needed. It helps collect that surface water. They're showing me how deep it is, how deep they've dug, and it's just amazing. These people did so much work. Go to Lowe's, buy 6-inch and 4-inch. This is perfect pipe, super strong. They stopped by the Home Depot and they showed me this pipe. I don't recommend this pipe here from Home Depot. ADS is much stronger. You can just see the catch basin and the line going all the way out to the lake. Wow, they did a great job. Here's a view of the backyard. You can really see the layout of the land. And here's another picture. You can see it when it's raining and how they've set all this up. Gravel perforated pipe. It's a giant catch basin. And finally they came back and they finished the graded all off in the front as well as the rear, put some straw down, and they've got a great working system. The Saturday morning DIY, they do much more than just think about it. Here's a video from a gentleman in the United Kingdom. He's showing me the retaining wall, and you can see the wet spots down underneath of the wall. He's asking, what do I do to solve this problem? And we did a live help and really helped him out with some great ideas. Hopefully he'll send us a follow-up video and show us what he did there, because I know that he's going to solve this problem. That wall, you can see it, it's really falling apart, and it's just pure mud underneath of the wall. Why is that? I answered that question for him, and we came up with a plan and solution to solve this problem. A rental property in Michigan, trying to dig with a flooded ground, asking questions of how do you dig when the ground is so full of water? And I get this a lot. I've tried to show, things of how we do it, and was able to help these guys. Basically, they needed to put a pump in there while they're digging. And they tried with a little tiny pump, and of course that little hose just won't work. Because this was going to an outdoor sump basin, they already had a brand new Zoller M98. Pretty simple solution. Go ahead and put that big pump in there and pump that water as you're digging. And that solved the problem. I truly get hundreds of requests asking how to fix this, how to fix that. Look at this one. This one's pretty interesting. You've got a downspout that comes down and it splashes out on the porch. And they simply put, a splash out, but they want to do something different with that. And I agree. But this is a tough one. About the only thing you can really do here is move that downspout. And I've got a video coming up that will show you how to do that. So here's another video someone sent me, and we did a live help. This is also in Michigan, and basically what he's got a pretty large property, and you can see there's a swell between the two properties. Actually, this is on his property, and so much water comes from the back, natural area, and from the neighbor's yard. It just floods in here, and he would like to cover this and get rid of this water. So basically, we need to put a culvert down through there. This is a fairly large pipe. He's trying to save some money. What else can he do? So we went over that in the video, and you can run several smaller pipes down through there. Remember, culvert pipe is very expensive. A 20-foot section of 18-inch culvert is nearly $300 to $400. So you can imagine, he's got nearly, 400 feet of pipe here. How much would just the material cost? Whereas you could run a whole bunch of 4-inch pipes and achieve basically the same thing. It doesn't really work as well as a large culvert, but again, if you're trying to save money, there's all kinds of alternatives and different ways to fix your problem. So here we are on Long Island, looking out across the Chesapeake Bay, I believe. And the question to me is, where's the best place to put the French drain? Well, it's pretty obvious. He's got great discharge to the back, and he really wants to know where is the best place to put this drain. Remember, there's two parts to every drainage system: collection and discharge. So we found the low point of the yard, and we put the catch basin and French drain in.
At the front of the house, on the sidewalk, we have what appears to be a under the curb drain. In the front of the house also is the remnants of a terracotta drain pipe. Then it appears that those terracotta drain pipes have a downspout here and there.
There are so many people that have drainage problems in their yard, their crawl space, everywhere, all around the country, around the world. And my hat's off to you guys. When you really want to do something, I know that you can do it. And that's the saying, if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. And take a look. I've only put up just a few of the videos and photos of what I receive. I get photos and emails and videos, and some of the problems are so severe. Take a look at this flood in this backyard. This is not event related. In other words, he says it happens, every time it rains. This is a DIY that wants to fix this problem himself. The Saturday morning DIY person, crawl spaces. Take a look. There are so many drainage issues, and we receive truly hundreds and hundreds of emails every week asking for help. And honestly, I wish I could give everybody the attention that, they need, but we are busy, and I do apologize. But take a look at these videos and pictures. Hundreds of people, thousands of people across the country, around the world, and they all go on YouTube, the internet, they do their homework, and they're able to do these projects themselves. And I promise you that you can do this too. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe, learn how to solve these problems, take advantage of our live help. And when I have the time, take advantage of the group live help. That's free on Saturday mornings, but I don't always have time to do that. I promise you that you guys can do these jobs. Here's a before and after that someone sent me. You can see they solved that problem. A little bit of advice. Here's a great pop-up. Did you see that? And of course, one of the biggest questions, should we wrap that gravel in fabric? I've showed you so many times how slow that fabric lets water go through. So to all those DIYers that get out there on Saturday morning or the weekend, we've got a holiday coming up. Maybe if your weather holds, you can get out there and solve some of these problems. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.